stacking your uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage in Florida. Well, first of all, what is uninsured motorist coverage? That's insurance coverage, motor vehicle insurance coverage, that you yourself can purchase through your car insurance company to protect you in the event that you're hit by someone who doesn't have any bodily injury coverage. Florida law does not require drivers to carry bodily injury coverage. Plenty of people call our office after getting hurt in a car crash, and the person that hit them doesn't have any insurance. So that's why it's so important for you to protect yourself and your family with uninsured motorist coverage. Underinsured motorist coverage works the same way. It's still part of the same underinsured motorist coverage. If the person who hits you only has $10,000 in coverage, but your injuries are very serious and worth more than that, then after their insurance company pays limits of $10,000, your insurance company will step up and pay additional insurance proceeds through the underinsured motorist coverage of your policy. So that's what underinsured motorist coverage is, also known as coverage. Stacking uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage is a specific type. Stacking coverage works like this. Let's say, for example, you have uninsured motorist coverage limits of $100,000, $300,000. What that would normally mean is that if you're hit by someone who doesn't have any coverage, your insurance company would provide any individual person in that crash, or you, a maximum of $100,000. If you had multiple people in the car with you, each of them could get a maximum of $100,000, but the most your insurance company would have to pay out on the claim is $300,000. Stacking works this way. Let's say you're hit by someone who doesn't have coverage and you actually have 3 vehicles on your policy. If your limits are $100,000, they would get multiplied by the number of vehicles you have in your household. So in that scenario, if you have $100,000 in limits, but 3 vehicles and it's stacking 3 times, then you would be eligible to get not $100,000, but $300,000 in uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Hope that made sense. But the way it works, that's in Florida. I encourage every client to get some degree of uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. Usually your car insurance company will not sell you more uninsured motorist coverage than the limits of bodily injury coverage you buy. But you can reject uninsured motorist coverage, which I think is a mistake, or you can purchase uninsured motorist coverage in a lower amount than your bodily injury coverage. In my experience, though, I've seen too many sad situations of clients or injured people in Florida getting involved in crashes and just rolling the dice, getting hit by the wrong person who either didn't have insurance at all or just had really crummy insurance. That's why it's so important to protect yourself, protect your family members, protect anyone who's going to be riding with you in your vehicle with uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Happy to talk with you more about your situation. Chat with us through our website at trialpro.com or call us anytime, day or night at 1-800-TRIALPRO.